Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're here with another one. We're here with 1Skimask with a music video called Sorrow. It's a track called Sorrow. So we see the dog are doing thing for media, and everything he put out so far has been a banger. So we are jumping in and here with the JAMAICA'S without further delay. Let's go on here with the JAMAICA'S. Is it? Let's go.
Forgive them, Father. They don't know what they have done. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello.
Dog just chip out while I got the bumbo clot. Dog just chip out. You see me chip out, right? Yo.
Little friend.
Say hello.
Say hello. He's a good youth from my heart, but me love his badness. Half his day stop, you know, me dirty black chip and if Forgive them, Father. They don't know what they have done. Say hello to my.
Yo, the man talented, you fuck. Yo, the man talented, you fuck. It's natural to him. It forward natural, brother.
Little friend. Say hello. He's a good youth from my heart, but me love his badness. Half his day stop, you know, me dirty black chip and if whoever you little know him, life a vanquish and if pussy for dead, you know, me dog them nice. Badness sweet, but I gun them brandish. Easy to catch us, so me send a bad bitch a darkness.
Oh, buckler. The can't pass the first 4 bar down. Yo!
They don't know what they have done. Say hello to my little friend.
Yo, this sick dog.
Hello. He's a good youth from my heart, but me love his badness.
Yeah.
Half his day stop, you know, me dirty black chip and if whoever you little know him, life a vanquish and if pussy for dead, you know, me dog them nice. Badness sweet, but I gun them brandish. Easy to catch us, so me send a bad bitch a darkness. A lights out, a girl turn off your switch. Crime lifestyle, dog, you know me young and me rich. Ooh, picking down like sparrow. Look what you've done now, your life brings sorrow. Brand.
Yo, let me just say this. We say Skimask put out about 2 or 3 songs so far. Included that one, yeah. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comment section. But we see him put out a few songs. We now see him rush him song them. The man I say, yo, quality over quantity, bro. Quality over quantity. And that we are get right now. The man now rush, he put out a bag of song, brother. The man I put out quality bumbo class song, brother. This bad, brother. This bad.
Forgive them, Father. They don't know what they have done. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello. He's a good youth from my heart, but me love his badness. Half his day stop, you know, me dirty black chip and if whoever you little know him, life a vanquish and if pussy for dead, you know, me dog them nice. Badness sweet, but I gun them brandish. Easy to catch us, so me send a bad bitch a darkness. A lights out, a girl turn off your switch. Crime lifestyle, dog, you know me young and me rich. Ooh, picking down like sparrow. Look what you've done now, your life brings sorrow. Brand new gun, them a glad you can't borrow. You with full of carbine, them a shot your tip hollow. Yeah man, squeeze we no miss like a row. 2 times 3 dog, your grave dig shallow. Make a wish and kiss your mother.
Yeah man, shoot, we no miss like arrow. Man I tell you say yo man straight. Him now miss. Brother, the you talented dog. If we never did I take him serious from the first 2 tracks, or need to take him serious now, dog.
Picking down like sparrow. Look what you've done now, your life brings sorrow. Brand new gun, them a glad you can't borrow. You with full of carbine, them a shot your tip hollow. Yeah man, squeeze we no miss like a row. 2 times 3 dog, your grave dig shallow. Make a wish and kiss your mother, cause you not sick tomorrow, cause your death bring pain and sorrow. Have some killer in a prison where they want it off. Them kill him mama cow and them we kill the calf. Don't
Bumbo clap. Have some nigga in a prison we are wall it off. Them kill him mama cow and them we kill the calf. Where the bumbo clap them not be themselves. Hey! Hey!
the way they want it off. Them kill him mama cow and them we kill the calf. Don't trouble when no trouble, look where trouble cause. But if you're not do the kind, then cut it talking. Cause we find them very brawling. Dove cat smile very often. Burial that a regular thing. Total, you a solid bastard. Good youth from me heart, but me love the badness. Happy space stop, you know me dirty glass chip and if whoever you little know him, life a vanquish and if pussy for that, you know me dog them nice. Badness read, but I gun them brandish. Easy to catch a summer, send a bad bitch a dance. This a lights out, a girl turn off your switch. Drive me lifestyle dog, you know me young and me rich. Ooh. I we do killing for fun. Anyway, me bringing me gun. Mommy protect your son. A headshot, hollow pint of a blood of the road. But if you can't stand the badness, you better sit down. Me hate.
If you can't stand the badness, you better sit down. Bars. Bars. Simple but effective. Bars. If you can't stand the badness, better you sit down. Bumbleclot. Rude.
This a lights out, a girl turn off your switch. Drive me lifestyle dog, you know me young and me rich. Ooh. I we do killing for fun. Anyway, me bringing me gun. Mommy protect your son. A headshot, hollow pint of a blood of the road. But if you can't stand the badness, you better sit down. Me head chip, black chip with a matic. Stop it, no bulletproof can block it. Fuck you anyway, we all a knock it in a traffic. And we live in place bloody and mucky sappy, god damn it. Your mama see your body and pick up and vomit. The place has Spanish, collateral damage. For we badness a habit. And anyway me carry it. If I even a station just know say me have it.
The man say, yo, we badness a habit. We badness a habit. Brother, this come easy, bro. You know some people have some bad habit. That I wanna feel bad habit them. Badness. Bad habit. Easy to him. No, yo.
Badness a habit and anyway me carry it. If I even a station just know say me have it. Do the time and do the time I make it street up. I make it street up. I make it street up. I keep it dirty clock chip. I call me love it badness. I know me dog the night. Fish shot a man and him bitch,
Yo, the man say him dog the night it fish shot a man and him bitch, brother. So you know say yo, not even the girl gets it. Yo, the you talented, bro. Dog well talented dog. We need to give him flowers, bro. Like the fact say him now rush to put out a lot of songs. That says it all, bro. Him not rush himself. Him a pace himself, bro. The man different, dog. And theme song them can power up to any quote-unquote artist. We're out there. We say them around place. The man lyrically, the man clarity up. Yo, him metaphors, him similes, yo, everything, bro. It's like to me, it's like him study the music before him forward into the music. Yo, this bad, yo, fuck, dog. This is bad, brother. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓, pick up yourself, bro. To note, my sister, you change your clothes. You're not really same shirt and pants again. Where the forward outers. You see me? So, my sister, you change your clothes. Good thing. You see me? You take your thing serious and gimmicks out the thing. You see me? So, yeah, bad. Not much more to say, but bad. Big up yourself, 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓. So, anyway, this time I'm going to leave the one. If you enjoyed the one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. If you enjoy it, of course. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.